Example 1 reads, in the rectangle ABCD, we are to find an expression for the sum of the diagonals of the rectangle. Now we have the rectangle ABCD and we have two diagonals AC and BD. So how do we solve this? I'm going to apply the Pythagoras theorem and the trigonometric ratios in solving this. We are asked to find an expression for the sum of the diagonals. That is to say, diagonal AC plus diagonal BD. For I know that AC squared, if you should consider line AC in triangle ABC, you agree with me that this is equal to the sum of AB squared plus BC squared. The reason is said to be Pythagoras theorem. And also BD squared, when you consider triangle BDC, we said it's equal to line BC squared plus line DC squared. And now we are looking for the sum of these two. We then have it that AC squared plus BD squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared plus BC squared plus DC squared. But if you look at it, you will agree with me that in a rectangle, we have it that opposite sides are equal. So it therefore means that AB is equal to DC and A side AD is equal to side BC. So therefore, I can equate this to be, since AB is equal to DC, I can write DC as AB and it will still be the same. So we have this that AC squared plus BD squared is equal to AB squared plus another AB squared, because this is also AB squared plus BC squared plus BC squared. So collecting like terms, you have this to be equal to 2AB squared plus 2BC squared. And when you factorize out 2, you have it to be AC squared plus BD squared to be equal to 2 into bracket AB squared plus BC squared. So this can be said to be the expression for the sum of the diagonals of the rectangle. Kindly like our videos as you watch, while we recommend that you subscribe to our channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on issues that are still not clear to you. We also recommend you to share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from this project. We shall take more examples on Pythagoras theorem.